Yeah. Yeah. And I'm cook for no man. What I mean? Alright peeps, so we are there, we have some bird here so. Yeah. We have snapper here so. Red snapper. Yes peeps. Alright peeps, this are the blackjack, you see me? So we have a red ground and we have a bird them guys, you see it? Yeah. So we have a catch up a fire now peeps. Come on. So stay tuned guys. Alright peep, see fish them here. Yeah man. See bird them here guys. So guys, I get on the pot you know. Yeah. Wait on the pot, is it? We hot up. Now man, I get in some oil now guys, you see me? Oil hot up. That's the garlic and the pepper peeps, you know? Fry up. Yeah man. I'm gonna get in the fish them now, you know? Yeah man. So after me get in the fish them guys, I get in the bird them after, you see it? Yeah. Alright guys, so stay tuned to the channel guys and I hope you enjoy this one today. And I hope you like, subscribe and comment peeps, you see me? Yeah. Alright. Alright peeps, see eh? I get in the seas them in the bird them guys, you see me? Yeah. Yeah man. Yes peeps, see it you know? The first set of the fish them that day, you see me? Yeah man. Get in the snapper peep, you see me? Yeah man. The great snapper, you know? Alright peeps. Yeah, that is the last of the fish them, you know? Yeah man. See you guys. So bird them gone on and out. Yeah man. Bird them a fry, you know? Yes, peeps. Yeah man. Just turn up the bird them, you know? Alright peeps, let me get off beside bird, you know? Yeah man, tester, you see me? Yeah man. Bad guys. Yeah man. Yes peeps. See first I bird them this year. Yeah. Remember the fish them, have them season up same way, you see me? Yeah, see the last I bird them. Yeah, so when the bird them come out guys, you make a see them, you see me? Alright. Last of the bird them this year, you see me? Yeah. Time for you have a pot season up and all guys like man, little bit of all purpose and some ketchup, you see me? Yeah, and drop and get some water in it guys and have him cook down. You see me? Yes peeps. Alright peeps, so I go have the flour knead up now and before me have the flour knead up I get on this here, you see me? Alright peeps. Alright. So we get on the pot now, guys. Yeah. Yeah man, flower pot there's a same way. Yeah man. See the peeps. Pot them on. Yeah man. That is the flower pot peeps. You see me? Fish pot. Yeah man. Alright peeps. Pot them all lock off now, you know. Hit them lock off and also start for the sharing peeps. You see me? So stay tuned for that, guys. Alright. Yes peeps, you sharing the now. Yeah. That I blackjack tail. Yes peeps, this I grunt. Sorry, this I snapper. Yes. Yeah man. Snapper head. Piece of blackjack slice, guys. Red snapper peeps. Yeah man. So guys, thanks for watching, you see me? And remember, hope you like this one and subscribe and share the video peeps. Yeah. And comments, you see me? So peeps, you bury them peeps. Yeah. So you bury them there, you know? Yeah man.